All right, so second attempt on my video update. Real quick, these videos are not easy to make without losing the attention of your audience. So I'll do it real quick with some of the main highlights of this build. Main thing is this tile backsplash area is very, very large. So I have to cover all that. So to fix this, I took away all the peel and stick backsplash. It was cheap. There was this big bowing area right here, the wood, because the stove's right here, and all the heat creates, it builds up and eventually warps the wood. So what I did is I cut out an area where the bowing was happening. I put a piece of wood across the framing, and then I grabbed the pieces of wood that I cut out, put them back on, stapled them, and then I took care of some of the problem as far as the bowing. And then after that, I put mud all over this wall, and yeah, I try to make it as even as possible. And one thing I will say about this tile is that it's not easy. Buy the simplest tile you can. Don't go level 10 like I did. I mean, I figured it out, but the hardest part is going around this window. And if you can see, this is this is tile, metal tile, and then ceramic. So you have to align all of this, and it sucked. I mean, it was hard. So don't do that. Buy the simplest tile ever. You can see here I had to cut that, and it's not fun. So it took me a long time to do this. Easiest, there was 1, 2, 3 outlets in this wall, and I took them all out, and then I pretty much, passed them up. I will eventually sand them down and paint this whole wall. Another cool feature that I did with this build is I removed all the lighting, and it's all low profile lights now. So yeah, and they change colors, they flicker because this the frame rate on this camera. But anyways, another thing is this air vent. The old ones have fins. I took out the fin area, and then I just bought this paneling from Home Depot, spray painted it, and then I used rivets to attach it. So now it has this custom look. So let me zoom out a bit, and yeah, just give you like a little review of how it looks like now. Gold, black, and white is the theme of this build. So yeah, looks pretty good now. I added this little bohemian thing, netting, and then you can attach it, detach it, and it gives you a little privacy when you're taking a shower or coming out of the shower. Yeah. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. Anyways, yeah, this is the build. It's coming along. Coming along really well. And update on the living room. I'm gonna do once I get this outlets nice and even. I'm gonna work on the bed area, paint this, and just work on the home studio a bit more. And that's it. It's getting along pretty well. But yeah, dude, here we go. Home stretch. Last thing is this little outlet thingy. Bam, conserve space, USBs, and then you get your outlets. Pretty cool, huh? All right, won't bore you too long. I'm sure you're wandering off right now. All right, bye-bye.